Top 7 foods diabetic people can eat. Good foods for diabetic patients. Diabetes can be hard to live with. However, with the right diet and proper exercise, it can be controlled. While designing the proper diet, it is crucial to keep in mind the foods diabetic people can eat. There are plenty of recipes that are aimed at preparing delicious and healthy foods for diabetics. Diabetes is primarily viewed in people who are overweight and physically inactive. But, despite the stereotypical patient categorization, there are people who get the disease because of heredity. While diabetes can be kept at bay by using external medication to give enough insulin to the body, the first treatment method recommended by physicians is a practical daily diet consisting of various healthy food options. You also have to make sure that you stay active. Some kind of activity that you enjoy, whether it is walking, or dancing, or jogging, should be taken up and stuck to, for at least half an hour each day. Whilst there are many healthy foods suitable for diabetics, the foods mentioned in this video are a short list of possibly the most effective foods that can help keep your blood sugar under control. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are the king of potatoes due to their low glycemic index. What this means is this kind of potato will not cause blood sugar to suddenly rise. Sweet potatoes are also rich in calcium and vitamin A. 2. Beans. Furthermore, we have shortlisted beans due to the fact they are rich in fiber, and fiber-rich foods really are a diabetic's best friend when searching to keep blood sugar balanced. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are also rich in antioxidants which are vital to help prevent premature aging. So the end result is a consistent rise and fall in blood sugar and not a huge spike as can be seen with some fruits. 4. Tomatoes. Diabetics often also suffer from a lot of vitamin and mineral deficiencies. So tomatoes make an ideal food choice due to the high content of vitamins A and C and the mineral we see missing in many people, iron. 5. Dark, leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collard greens, and any different types of vegetables you can get your hands on, are regarded by nutritionists globally as some of the most nutrient-dense foods. Meaning they can contain more nutrients per serving than a lot of different other foods. Some researchers say that eating green leafy vegetables is helpful for people with diabetes due to their high antioxidant content and starch-digesting enzymes. 6. A glass of wine. 6. Wine. Wine is an excellent antioxidant. If you enjoy drinking alcohol, then taking 1 glass of wine even on a daily basis should be good enough. But never go overboard. Too much alcohol is bad for the body, more so if you are diabetic. 7. Walnuts. Nuts such as walnuts are another excellent addition to the diabetic foods. Like fish, nuts contain healthful fatty acids that help keep the heart healthy. Walnuts are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids called alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Like other omega-3s, ALA is important for good heart health. A study from 2018 suggested that eating walnuts is linked with a lower incidence of diabetes. Walnuts also provide key nutrients, such as protein, vitamin B6, magnesium, and iron. If you found our video helpful, please do not hesitate to share with others so that they can benefit as well.